If you've been putting off dealing with that cracked concrete, now might be the time to tackle that project. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about why you want to get it done before winter arrives right after this.
Transform your kitchen or bathroom with a beautiful tiled backsplash all by yourself in as fast as one day with Simple Mat from Custom Building Products. Simple Mat is a unique double-sided adhesive mat designed to bond tiled backsplashes, countertops, and shower walls. No mixing of powder, no mess to clean up, and no waiting for the mortar to harden. Simply set the tile onto the mat, then grout. It's the quickest, easiest, cleanest way to install tile. Visit thesimplemat.com for more information. Available exclusively at the Home Depot.
The problem with cracked concrete is that over time, those small cracks can turn into bigger problems. The water that fills them erodes the base beneath the slab, and when the temperatures drop, that water freezes and expands, making the crack worse. The immediate solution is to fill the crack with concrete repair caulk to stop the water. The long-term fix is to patch it with concrete resurfacer. In either case, you'll need to clean the slab and the cracks first. The concrete resurfacer is mixed with water, much like cement, but the resulting material is more fluid, so it flows into gaps and cracks to level them out. Once it dries, the same material can be spread thinly over the whole surface with a squeegee to disguise the repair. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.